Hello viewers, my name is Syed and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can make download, install and make a bootable USB drive for Ubuntu operating system. So we'll go to Google and type in Ubuntu. And the official Ubuntu website will come up, and then we are going to go into downloads, Ubuntu desktop, get Ubuntu desktop. So this is the latest version of Ubuntu LTS. So click on download and you will start to downloading, as you can see. And the next process is we'll download a bootable USB creator. So just type in Rufus and then create a bootable USB drive, easy way. So click on that and click on download latest release. I'll click on that and you'll start to download. Now we can close these windows and wait for the download to complete. To make a USB drive, you're gonna need at least 8 GB of free space on the USB drive. So I'll wait till the download finishes and I'll get back. So once the download is complete, can check if the download is complete. So the Ubuntu download is ISO file is complete and Rufus is complete as well. So I'm going to run Rufus as administrator. Click yes. Then USB drive is selected. So I'm going to select the ISO file. Click open. You can select MBR or GPT. It's up to you. It depends on the BIOS on your laptop or computer. Going to name it is Ubuntu and click start. Okay, click yes. So this process will take about 2-3 minutes depending on your computer speed. So once the copy is complete, so it will show ready. Then close the window and your USB drive is ready. I'm going to show you how I'm going to perform the installation process. So I have plugged in the USB drive and this is a Dell laptop. So I'm going to press the power button and keep pressing F12, which is boot menu. And select the USB storage drive. So select try or install Ubuntu. The installer is loading up. It might take some time. So you can either try Ubuntu without making any changes to your computer directly from the CD, USB drive, and install it on your computer. So I'm going to try install it on my laptop. Select install Ubuntu and select the region keyboard layout. If you want to connect to the internet, you can do. I'm going to select I don't want to connect to Wi-Fi now, so click continue. So select normal installation, click continue. Then erase disk and install Ubuntu. So I'm going to select that, click install now. It's just warning you that SSD drive will be erased and the operating system will be installed on this. So click continue and select your region. Click continue. Now you're gonna need to put a name on the computer. So I'm going to type in user and you're gonna need to choose a password, any password. And click continue. It's like any normal Windows installation, so it's gonna copy files and then take some time to install. the installation is complete. Just need to restart the computer in order to use the new installation. So remove the USB drive and click restart now. So the operating system has been installed and is loading up. There you go. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.